welcome back to my first ASMR with slime video. Today we're not going to be doing really ASMR with the slime. We're going to be trying to make this a fluffy slime. It already is a fluffy slime, but we're going to be trying to make it fluffier. So I have this lotion here. It smells really good. Rose water and ivy. That's the scent of it. Really pretty. I got this at Bath and Body Works. It's a really, really nice lotion. So this is only like a little part of the slime. I have this bag of the slime and also this bag, which I'm trying just to experiment to see like if this lotion does anything to the slime. If it does anything good to the slime, I'm probably gonna add it in the whole entire slime. So this is kind of just like a sample. Getting really stringy, as you can see. Now it's coming back together. There's so much lotion like over here and stuff, which we will be cleaning off of this. And also I might add more glitter into it because, as you can see, I don't know if the glitter shows on camera, but you could see it. And also my brother's friend is over, so you might hear some weird background noises and stuff like right now. So I will be back with some glitter and add-ins. Okay, so I found this glitter, which this is actually the exact same glitter I added into the slime, so it will make it look good and stuff. But I'm going to get a piece of the old slime, like before I put in the lotion, and I'll leave the glitter over here and grab a tiny piece from here. Oh my gosh. It's not really tiny, but whatever. There's a little hair in this, which I'm going to take out, put on the floor. So the old slime, oh my gosh, the hair got into there. The old slime feels nice. When you squeeze it, it's actually kind of hard. This one is softer, way softer, and when you squeeze it, it's way softer. So I think the slime actually, it would help if I add the lotion. So, oh my gosh, I'm gonna get a lot of the slime and like just add lotion into it. I'm going to do little parts at a time because the whole slime can't just fit on this like platform thing. It's kind of just a background, and also so nothing gets on the floor. So I'm gonna get a little bigger piece than this to put in like lotion. So I'll be back. Okay, so now I am back. Oh my gosh. Let me clean the camera. So I added a bigger piece into this slime, and this slime is just going to be sitting over here. But I am going to add the lotion, and I will be proof that I'm actually putting the lotion in. It's all on my hands and all over the slime. So now I just have to mix it. It's probably just going to be the same as before. It's going to get stringy, and then it's going to go back to normal, which it's getting stringy right now, and then it's going to be fine later. So I'll see you guys when it's nice and smooth. So I combined the two slimes because I'm done, and I'll see you when I do the whole entire slime. So I'll start filming again when I'm done with the whole slime, and we'll be adding the glitter at the end of this video. So keep watching. Also, this is the slime that is done. The slime that is already done goes on the blue. The slime that needs to be done goes on the red. And the slime that is getting done goes on the black, which this is the slime that's getting done. And this is the slime that's already done, so I have to move it over there. So I'll see you guys when I'm all done doing everything with the slimes. Okay, I am fully done with the slime, and I hope you liked that little short clip I put in the video. So this is the finished product. That sounds so weird. This is the finished product. So now time for glitter. So, oh my gosh. I have to hold you guys like this while I open the glitter because I can't use my, oh, it already spilled over here, as you could see. I'm not gonna put a lot in because there's already glitter in it. Oh, okay. I think that's enough. Okay. Put that over there, and now time for a little ASMR clip. Oh, it's so glittery, guys. Okay, so now all the glitter is mixed in. You can't really see it anymore. I remember when I first started my channel, I did slime videos, like slime reading and stuff like that, and I showed my face. But now I'm not going to be showing my face, I'm just going to be showing my voice. And also I deleted those videos so no one could see my face, and also I look really young there anyways, so I would look different. So if I hit like 10K followers, well, subscribers, then I will probably do a face reveal. And I made this at my friend's house, but she doesn't like showing her face a lot or anything, so I'm not going to say her name or anything about her. I'm just going to say that she's my friend, and I made this at her house. So that's how I got this slime. We made it together. It was a huge fluffy slime, but now it kind of just turned into like a normal slime. But it's still pretty fluffy. And also I'll show you a slime that her sister gave me. So this is the slime that her sister gave me. I am going to open it up and play with it for you guys. So this is a tiny bit of the slime. I think it's actually really good. It's definitely more fluffy. This is a like peachy orange color. It's a really nice slime. It used to be so sticky. I was gonna say slippery. But now it's actually really, really nice. So I am going to be adding a little more glitter to the white slime, and then I will be ending this video. So let me go ahead and open the glitter. Okay, so got the glitter. When I did the glitter ASMR, I thought it was really, really nice. I'm going to close it up. I can't really close it, but I put the top on. What do you think? Comment down below if you would want your hand to be this sparkly. And do you guys like this sound? If you don't like that sound, then we'll fast forward the video to a better part. The slime totally just ate up all the glitter, and a lot of the glitter came off my hand. Oh my gosh. I did a really bad swirl, but still has a good pop. little bit of lotion. Not a lot. That's the amount. So that is the end of the video, you guys. I hope you liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next ASMR/slime video. Bye guys. Have a great day.